It looks fine. What the hell did I just see? Okay, we'll try this again. Triangulate that. Oof. Okay. Okay. We got something up. Why is this whole face? Well, that was really bizarre. Is it like that for the other ones? Okay, we're gonna delete this face, maybe. We're gonna pretend that face wasn't there. So time to teach you about a different tool. I'm gonna see if I can fix this like that. It's the Append to Polygon tool. I don't know if you've looked at this, and you can click an edge. Click this one, and then you click another edge, and it makes a polygon there. And then you hit enter, and then it's done. So I'm gonna rebuild the polygons here by using that for the moment. You have to be really careful where you click, otherwise it does some really shitty weird things. So we're just gonna rebuild the surface. And it's gonna make some weird edges, but it's fine. I will fix it. I don't know if it's gonna do that like to every single side. I'm not really sure what caused it to do that. Okay. So let's delete all these funky weird edges again. That one can stay actually, that's fine. Okay, let's delete those. Okay, everything looks fine. Okay, so back to making our corners, go to the corners. And then we have these weird things, which technically, ooh. Why is this line going all the way to here? Woo, okay. Okay, that needs a vertex to be there. And the vertex that we just put there, that one? Yeah, okay. We're gonna go to this from a side view. Which side view is the one that I need? The other side. I don't need to do it from a side view, I guess. I'm gonna use snap to points so that this vertex that I create on this edge, I can line it up exactly with that one. So what you do is you basically hit your middle mouse button and you just drag it onto it. And so now they're in the same spot. And I'm going to select those two, edit mesh, merge. I usually just use the window because it makes sure that I do things right. If you can see, it currently has two vertices selected right here. Oh, that's what the third thing's from. Okay, so there's two vertices selected up here. If I hit apply, turns it into one. That's how you know it's merged. That's how you can definitely know it's merged. Okay, so let's make sure that this thing is completely attached to everything there. Oops. Turn off your snaps. And that looks okay. Okay. Let me make sure the other edges are all fine. Yeah, definitely do that. In theory, you shouldn't have to run into that problem. Generally, that only happens when you do use the Append to Polygon tool, because it'll build a face between certain spots, but you only select two different edges, so it might end up butting against an edge. Like, it'll look like it's part of an edge, but since you didn't use that edge to consider, it doesn't make a vertex where an edge might meet another edge or something. So as you're building, that particular thing shouldn't be a problem. Yeah, that's the same thing that you would do for when you're putting the halves together. I know, like, in Ray's videos, he, like, selects literally all of the middle vertices and then tells it to do it to go together, and then they, like, magically do it, but I've never been able to do it when he selects all of them. I actually have to select them 2 by 2. and merge them together, and it's a pain in the ass. Okay, so proper. Okay, I'm going to keep these edges that are here and get rid of that. Yeah, that's the only explanation. So those ones should probably stay. So we'll just take these other things and just triangulate them to here. And that's only necessary on the bottoms and tops, it looks like. Oh, Jesus Christ. Not again. Let's try that again. Okay. That was cleaner. I don't know what happened that first time, but it was a little scary. It was really scary. So now we get to find out if all the other sides have the exact same problem. Hopefully not. Oh god. What is that I see? It's gonna have the same problem, probably. Yep. Okay. I have no idea what the hell you did. What? Is it just this face? Is there something wrong with this face? I don't understand what's actually going on. Like, everything else looks fine. Like, it looks pretty well put together. This one... Oh, these ones are ones that I already, like, deleted the pieces of properly, so that should... But I really have no idea why it was doing that. Like, oh god, let's try a different corner. But, like, if I hover it over at the right spot, because it's trying to tell me all the edges I can, like, do it to. And there's a lot of weird edge options that are there. And I am not really sure how that happened. So, like, I could draw it to, like, here, I guess, and it'll just do something weird. So, we're gonna have to do the same thing, where I just delete this. Oh, no. Yeah, okay. Append to Polygon. And we're going to pick these side ones, because that can make the cleanest polygon for now. So that side... It might be something with that. I honestly don't know. Why did that... Is there like a... Oh, okay, there's a vertex here. We'll get rid of those. Yeah, residual edges might have done something, I suppose. Okay, so we'll put that there. Any extra vertices that are hanging around, there are up here. So we're going to get rid of the ones up here. I honestly have no idea. I don't usually have issues with stuff like that, but I don't make a lot of like super geometric models. Okay, so connect these. Oops. You have to be really careful where you click when you're making a polygon, because otherwise you get shit like this, or it connects to some face on the other side. And you have to like just say yes, do it, and then get rid of it. It's kind of a silly tool. Okay, let's try that again. Do the bottoms. What? That was facing down. Okay. Technology is amazing. Okay. That worked. And we'll do these edges, and then we will do these things in the middle, which should be very straightforward. Okay. Now we're gonna get rid of that, and that. And technically that is almost as good as we're gonna get. I just have to add the ones, these triangles here. Okay. Next face. What you gonna do? Let's find out. Alright. Why? Oh god, fatal errors. Yeah, okay, save it anyway. Fucking hell. Okay. Everything's fine. Everything is fine. Oh, what it... I did not win the student art contest for Blizzard. Feels bad. That's okay. I just want to see what other things actually. That is not the right. Okay. Project. Go to the correct fucking folder. Here. We're working on the basic tower now. Set that. Oh shit. Did I not actually save it? Fuck. Wow. Okay, that's the slow tower. It's the basic tower. There's the tower itself. There's the scenes. I didn't save it. I'm a fucking dumbass. Feels good. I'm so numb. Okay, well. Okay, let's import that. That's weird. I mean, if you just wanna like... I'm assuming you're doing it mostly with the materials, and that's fine. I don't know. I can ask you a question later or something if necessary. I probably won't get to it anywhere. What have you created, Zaid? What have you created? Okay, let me freeze transformations again. We're not gonna fuck with this right now because we know the kinds of shit that's wrong with it, so we're just gonna put it down there and forget. Okay, let's look at the other stuff. I am going to save my scene right now in the tower basic and iteratively start a thing. And before, once we put the basic tower in, it also just fucking breaks the game. Now that would be something. Okay, so we have this piece, circly bits. We already went over that we can reduce the number of faces on it by a little bit. I will be really, 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 really sad if that actually happened. But in theory, once we convert it to like a harmless thing of not things that are sitting in Maya, if it's just like an OBJ or the FBX, it'll probably be fine. But yeah, okay. The basic tower will be the one thing that just explodes our game. And it'll be really funny because no one would have seen it coming. Okay. Fucking missed. Maybe I should play Osu for that mouse accuracy. Because I need top mouse accuracy to play Feral Druid when I play single target. Basic tower is the ultimate gatekeeper. The obvious solution is that the actual secret level, instead of it being a parrot level, is you build minions. Where you put your minions places, and the towers run forward. And your minions have to... I don't know, it'll be like it'll be switched. That doesn't make as much sense because towers don't take damage. When I actually like plop this VOD somewhere, I can also plop it onto YouTube, so you can like put it at 2 times or something if that's better, or you can just use Twitch, but Twitch doesn't save a lot of VODs or stuff still. It's fine if those don't converge at the same point, probably.